Are you looking for a mini drone that flies well, is portable, and is easy to use? There's nowhere else to look. We'll review the top 3 affordable small drones on the market right now in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Potensic Atom Drone. The Potensic Atom Drone stands out as an excellent option for enthusiasts looking for a small yet capable drone. The FAA or remote ID registration is not needed for the palm-sized drone Atom. Carrying it along on adventures is made easier by its small form and storage bag. The Atom drone with adult 4K camera is equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor and a 12MP camera that can record 4K per 30 frames per second. This combination allows for decent aerial image and video quality. Even in level 5 windy conditions, the 3-axis brushless gimbal guarantees steady and smooth footage. The Atom Fly More combo boasts a parallel charging hub that can quickly charge 3 batteries to 60W full capacity in 1.5 hours. The 3-battery kit gives you plenty of time to explore. Time-restricted upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology guarantees improved anti-interference compatibilities and a farther transmission range up to 6 km per 20,000 feet. The drone can be confidently controlled with ease and flexibility thanks to the user-friendly remote control. Another advantage of the Potensic Atom drone is its ease of use. Novice users can quickly become proficient in the art of drone piloting because to its simple controls and user-friendly UI. The Potensic Atom's small size doesn't sacrifice toughness. It's made to endure the inevitable scrapes and bruises that come with learning to fly. On number 2, we have DJI Mini3 Drone. In the field of small aerial technologies, DJI's dedication to quality and innovation is demonstrated by the DJI Mini3 Drone. This little powerhouse starts with an amazing 4K camera and boasts a feature set that belies its small size. To capture incredibly clear aerial photos, record in 4K HDR. The dual native ISO fusion feature of the Mini 3 makes it possible to record details in shadows and highlights throughout the day and at night. You can easily take pictures of towering structures like skyscrapers and waterfalls by using true vertical shooting. It's also in the ideal direction for posting to Instagram or TikTok after it's been captured. If the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, separately offered, is used, the aircraft's flight time can be increased to 51 minutes. However, its weight will increase beyond 249 grams. The Fly More combo allows for a maximum flight time of 114 minutes. The Mini 3's 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance allow it to produce dependably smooth 4K images. Up to 4,000 meters can be taken off because to the increased power provided by rushless motors. On number 3, we have DJI Mini4 Pro Drone. The DJI Mini4 Pro Drone stands out as a top option for professionals and hobbyists looking for outstanding features in a small package. Take light and element registration for an easy-to-use, portable experience on all of your travels. Take pleasure in traveling without having to deal with the time-consuming application process or wait periods. You may fly confidently because the drone has accurate sensing skills in all directions, improving its ability to identify impediments. Even inexperienced pilots should worry less about collisions when in the air. Enjoy longer, uninterrupted flights with greater battery life. Bid farewell to worries about running out of juice and let nothing stop you from exploring enormous vistas. Long flights and excellent high-quality visuals require this. Take advantage of lag-free picture transmission to fully immerse yourself in aerial vistas in real time. With the new Active Track 360 degrees, you can control the tracking trajectory of your drone. Achieve complex and smooth functional outcomes. Creating fluid movies and getting started is simple, even for a novice. So these are some of the best drones to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.